Pikachu versus Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Oh man, why are you? With the poo?
Yeah, so that's I guess over. That's quick.
Next! Just remember to vote. Okay, Alex, you can stop now. Do that stupid poop.
Dang it. I'm crazy kiss and I have this.
I'm so pissed. Hey, stop at the mama bid! Okay.
Hey, I'm Mario and I have a fat nose.
Actually, that's baby Mario. He has no...
And you, Pico. Wow, Chris, we're making a big mess of your room.
Don't make a big mess. I want it cleaned. What?
Hey, what's wrong with this stupid wire? When could I get back?
I am a stupid monster. Oh, where am I going? Yes.
Bonjour. I can't even.
Where am I?